What's up guys, it's Osiris. Welcome to a brand new video in this Acoustica series. Today we'll be taking a look at how you can record audio in the multi-track session. Let's get right into this. So we want to come over to file here, new, and create a new multi-track session. I'm going to call this session 1 and I'm going to overwrite the previous session 1. So the first thing you want to do is make sure your recording device is enabled. So let's go over to edit, preferences, and audio devices. So I'm going to set my input device to my recording microphone, click on apply and click on OK. So I'll create a new track here by pressing Ctrl T, and I'm going to set this first track to record mono. Let's actually name this to mono track, and I'm going to set this second track to record stereo. Let's name this to stereo track. So once you hit the record button here, you can start recording. So I'm going to record. So I'm recording in my mono track right now, and I'm just going to record for a while, then stop this and record in my stereo track. So let's stop this and let's play this. So I'm recording in my mono track right now, and I'm just going to record for a while, then stop this and record in my stereo track. So let's arm our stereo track for recording now, and let's record. So I'm recording. Let's mute this. Now I'm recording in my stereo track, and yeah, we can see the waveform is stereo. I'm going to stop this now. So you can hit the record button to stop that also. Let's play this. Let's mute this. Now I'm recording in my stereo track, and yeah, we can see the waveform is stereo. I'm going to stop this now. So yeah, that's how you record audio in the multi-track session. That was simple and easy to do. Just make sure your audio device is selected in the preferences, audio settings, and set whether you want to record mono or stereo, and you can overlap audio while you're recording, just like I'm doing here. And boom, you're good to go. So that's how to do it in the multi-track session. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something new from this. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions about this, leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.